Hello, I'm Chelsea Fry with Motor Age Magazine. Few auto repair shop managers or owners got into this industry to focus on marketing. But even if you aren't a fan of marketing, you need to be hands on with it in order for your shop to succeed. David Rogers is the Chief Operating Officer of Keller Bros. Inc., President of Auto Profit Masters, and President of Shop 4D. He's here today to explain how to maximize your shop's marketing through quality, dedication, and consistency. David, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Chelsea.
Of course. So, in your article on this topic, you state that quality is better than quantity when it comes to customers. Could you explain that a bit and how marketing comes into play with that?
Of course, having good marketing isn't just about attracting customers, it's about attracting the right customers when they are ready to buy. And it's about retaining them. Anybody can make your shop busy with lousy customers just by offering a huge discount. But that doesn't mean you're successful. When you're busy with no value, discount shoppers, you spend money on the marketing. Then you lose the money taking up a bay for an inspection that the customer doesn't even appreciate. Then you spend more money paying your service writer to build an estimate and do an advisement on recommendations that the customer doesn't want. Then you take money off the top for the actual discount. After you're done wasting all of that money, you'll never see the customer again because they didn't choose you for your customer service or for your quality work. They chose you because you were the cheapest place to go today. When somebody else is cheaper, that customer is off to their shop. Those aren't the right kind of customers. Good marketing is about setting expectations and then delivering on them. If you use the marketing to build a relationship with your customer built on trust and quality, and then you deliver on those promises, you can win that customer over for life. And perhaps all of their friends, relatives, and churchgoers, and all the rest of it too.
Great. And so, in your article, you also address consistency as it applies to marketing. So, why is that key to successful marketing?
Well, I was just talking about setting proper expectations and delivering on those promises. But what happens if some of your marketing is trying to build a relationship and showing that potential new customer how you're different from other shops? And then that customer receives some different marketing piece you sent that looks just like every other shop and offers the same kind of coupons. What message does this send to a customer? This is why it's critical to have a marketing plan. Ideally, where all advertising and marketing is executed by one marketing company. Hopefully one that understands how to identify and reach the right kind of customers. Customers who align with what your brand is all about. If you do marketing with multiple companies, that means it's your job to make sure that you're targeting the right kind of customer with the right message. When you're choosing a marketing company or agency, there's a few things I suggest you ask them. Number one, how do they identify quality customers? How can they prove that their marketing is attracting quality customers? Because the answer is not simply the ROI or return on investment. How they will keep your marketing consistent across all avenues, from direct mail to social media to web design to your search marketing like AdWords. How they use analytics and artificial intelligence to make your marketing more effective. At Shop 4D, we partner exclusively with the Automated Marketing Group to provide Shop 4D users with cutting-edge marketing analytics and give AMG exclusive access to the machine learning inside Shop 4D as they build comprehensive, consistent marketing campaigns. The Automated Marketing Group has proven for 20 years that they can deliver the kind of customers that value our service over our price in my shop. And the kind of customers that will turn into referring ambassadors for our brand. Don't waste your shop's budget on mindless discount couponing. It could destroy your bottom line.
David, thank you so much for sharing some marketing best practices for our shop owners. To learn more about this topic, you can reach out to David at contact@shop4d.
Contact us shop4d.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions directly. And I promise no sales pitch.